Okay, traders, we are back at this again. I am short, as you can see, 8,900 shares of Guild. I'm fairly break even in the play. I've been building along this area of my short. I actually should have been, if I were paying a lot more attention, I should have been building additional size on these micro rallies to the 103.60 area or so, but I actually wasn't doing that. In the midst of my trading here, I have a great many additional responsibilities with other traders and meetings and conference calls and updates and things of that nature. So I don't get an opportunity to really trade as a full-time trader like I used to years ago. But as you can see, it's moving into profitable territory now. I'm actually bidding under 33, around 30, 103.30 in that area. I'm looking for a retest of these lows. So I'm bidding down here. Having gone short up here, I'm bidding down here to lighten up my position some. All right. I'm only up $402. Um, it's not anything to write home about at this particular time. Now, because of this sharp drop to the downside, a mild rally might finally give me my opportunity now that I'm focused here on actually picking this up to about 14 or 15,000 shares and really making a go of a fairly robust gain. But let's see how things pan out here. As I mentioned, I am bidding down here, so it's fairly close to dropping right into a cluster of bids that I have in the 31 103.31 to 102.29 zone. And it's flirting with that area now. Let's see. Watch my 8,900 shares. Now again, if we get a bounce first, that's okay. That will give me an opportunity perhaps to really go to work, and then we can go after something quite sizable. I'd actually like that scenario. I prefer that scenario actually now that I'm focused on the play. I can work this now. Up roughly $600. Okay, clearly it wants to drop here. So I'm down to 8,000 shares. Okay, so a few shares went off. Okay, now I'm down to 6,700 shares. Now I'm bidding at 25, 103.25 with another cluster of shares, and I have another cluster of shares at 103.22. Now those shares I placed in the queue early, so I should be early in the queue at those specific prices. The queue is very much like an oversold movie theater line. And if you get to the movie too late, you may not be able to get a seat. So I like to actually, when I can, place orders early or get to the movie theater much earlier than most people actually even think about going to the movies. 3 hours early. All right, there's my shares. 3,700 shares now. Now I'm sitting at 21 with the cluster. Come on to Papa. Come on to Papa. Boom. Nice, nice. There we go. I'm getting hit, getting hit, getting hit, getting hit. Yes. Only got 700 shares here now. Okay, out. Done. There you go. A nice $1,400. It actually was a very gradual build-up trade. Never at any time was I greatly exposed in a way. I did not come anywhere near my maximum loss per trade, and certainly nowhere near my maximum daily allowable loss. Every trader needs a maximum loss per trade as a permanent part of their current trading plan. You also need a maximum dollar amount to lose for the entire day. So there should be a maximum amount per trade. For instance, a small trader might say, I will not lose more than $500 on any given trade. That could be a permanent part of their trading plan for this current period in their trading life. And then they must also have a maximum dollar loss per day. So while $500 is the maximum loss per trade. Maybe $1,500 or $2,000 is the maximum loss per day. That's when if you reach that maximum loss per day, no ifs, ands, or buts about it, no more trading. You turn the system off. You take a several hundred walks around the block or in the park. You cool off. Tomorrow's another day. This is Oliver Velez signing off of another live trading session, but only for now.